So if you guys have been considering adding OEM mud flaps to your brand new Subaru, in today's video we're going to be installing some Subaru genuine mud flaps that I picked up on the WRX. Let's take a look at what comes inside. So I wanted to just go with OEM ones because I like how OEM fits and I like the look, and I live in the Pacific Northwest where it rains pretty much 5 months out of the year. I'm tired of the car getting all dirty, and plus with some upcoming track dates and stuff like that, with how much the tire sticks out over the body, I want to try to protect the paint. All the mud flaps open. These look to be the fronts to me. Yeah, no, actually rear right. Front. So these are the fronts, these are the rears. Comes with some brackets and hardware in the box and some alignment stuff. Made in Korea. Wasn't expecting that. I thought they'd be made by Subaru in Japan. Alright, so with the wheel out of the way, we have enough room up front to just turn it out of the way. We can access all these little screws down here. So whether you guys have a Subaru Outback, Legacy, Forester, Crosstrek, anything in the Subaru product line, as long as you follow the installation instructions that come with your kit and use my YouTube video, it should pretty much get you on the right path to do it yourself. You can remove these little pop clips here. Okay, so for our hardware, we're going to use these little push pin clips with a little center push. We need 3 of them. And let's grab our front mud flap. And you literally just match these little nub pieces right into the holes where you took the push pins out. Just kind of wiggle it in. You want to hold it and just push hard. Got one more down here at the bottom. So the front mud flap install literally only takes about 2 minutes. But the front is on and it looks awesome. It's going to do so much better of a job keeping all this crap off of the body and the paint, and it's going to block everything that was getting kicked up on the body before. So look at that extra protection, like an extra inch down there, ½ inch around at the kind of minimum. So yeah, looking at the wheel back in its straight position, look at all that extra coverage. We're going to have tons more protection here. So that's going to protect the paint a lot better. And even with my wider CE28s that are a +3.5 offset, those pretty much stick out flush with the body, so even that is going to give definitely some added paint protection. And coming over on the other side, I like how these are like a pliable rubber material, so if something kind of hits it, like a big rock or something kicks up, it'll help to kind of absorb the shock of it. So yeah, it looks really good, like a little WRX accent down here. So I've got the passenger side one installed, and I figured I'd just show you guys kind of what it looks like real quick, and then I'll walk you through the install on the other side. Turned out pretty good. That's what the bracket looks like down there. So my goal with today's video is to create an installation guide for the Subaru community to handle installing this type of stuff at home yourself with basic hand tools rather than paying a dealership extra money to install it for you. Okay, so we've got our bracket on. You can see we got the clips right here. So these are the two new ones, and then you just reuse the original one that you took out when you started. And that's going to get this lower mounting point that we need here for the mud flap. And then let's go ahead and remove this little pop clip here, and then we can start the reinstall for the top. So this is the little push clip that you removed out of there. You're going to use the one that comes in the box, and you can see it's slightly longer because it needs to be, since it's going to be going through the mud flap. So yeah, we'll use this to kind of just hold this thing into position. And you can see how it lines up with the bottom bracket down here. And then this tells you where you need basically to drill. So we're going to mount this point here. So this is the hardware you're going to use, one of the little bolts, and then this little heavier duty clip. And that heavy duty clip just clips right here like that. My big camera's having trouble focusing with the amount of light in the background, so I'm just switching to my cell phone for this part. But you guys can see here, we're just basically going to drill a couple of small holes here. So I actually never ended up using these templates at all, but these are the little hardware pieces. We're going to put a couple of black little clip fasteners that have the screw threading in there, and then we're going to put the bolts through basically right from behind here. So yeah, we're all done. I like how flexible these are. They're firmly mounted, factory style. The fitment is spot on. Let's take a look underneath so you guys can see how the bracket works there. You got one new clip there, here, and you got the one that you reuse. You can see how that fastener connects to the bolt in the back of the flap there. So yeah, we are good to go. Let's put the wheel on, show you what it looks like when we're done. And as far as drill bits, I only use the small drill bit to drill these two holes, and then I use this as a pilot hole for the holes underneath here, and then we use the big drill bit underneath here for those plastic clips to go through. We had wheel chocks in here too to keep the car from rolling back. We had one on each side. Well, there you have it, guys. If you were looking at how to install OEM mud flats on your brand new Subaru, I hope this video helped you. If it did, hit the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the look of them. I'm pretty excited about it. I like the fact that they're black versus like rally armor or whatever the other ones are, like the STI ones that are bright red or different colors. I like the black because it kind of just blends in with the car. It looks factory. It's clean. And it's going to help protect my paint, especially right there. That's where everything likes to hit the paint from the front. So super excited to have these on here. The Subaru mud flaps for the WRX run about $125 to $140 depending on where you get them. I will have a link in the description down below. Only thing I'm not 100% sold on after seeing this on the car. What do you guys think of the WRX logo? I think it would almost look better if it was just all black. I mean, obviously everybody knows it's the WRX, What do you guys think of that? And for any of you other guys that are new to the channel, if you missed any of the other install videos, we do all types of mods to the WRX. We just installed the Tomei exhaust last week. We got STI brakes on the car. We've got an iBox suspension. Car is pro-tuned. The front brakes, in order to fit STI on them, you have to have a special rotor. We did all the work with Paragon Performance to get that kit brought to the market. We've got a Cobb access port. My car is running a Perrin oil air separator, a front mount intercooler. We've got the belt cover. We also have the oil cooler from Perrin on the car. So we've got lots of supporting mods, oil coolers back here with the intake. And with our protein, we're making 323 horsepower to the wheels, 374 pound-feet of torque. So it's pretty fast. It's a nice little daily driver. See that Perrin front mount just chilling there. This looks super aggressive. So if this is your guys' first time here, I'll leave links in the description below for all the different videos we've done to this car to kind of help build it to where it's at. If you guys are just looking to get started, check them out.
I figured I'd end the video inside today with you guys. I'm gonna watch the new Fallout on Amazon Prime. Well guys, that first episode was awesome. I think I'm going to start doing this a little bit more often and kind of just sharing what shows I'm watching. You guys leave me a hashtag Fallout if you made it to the end. But after watching the first episode, it was pretty awesome. I definitely would recommend it if you guys enjoyed playing the video game. I'll put a link for the series down below. And I'm going to watch another episode. It's like about 11:15, maybe 11:30. And I'm going to go to bed after that. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.